You can't get very far alone running a business like this. There's a cap, like a income cap that you can get to, and it takes a lot of sacrifice to get there. I know because I did it. And in 11 months, I got to 6 figures by launching a course. I sacrificed everything, and there was a period of about 2 months where I was working 18 hours a day. My family didn't see me. My kid was like 3 or 4 at the time, my son, and it was crushing. I would come in for dinner and then go back out to work. And then as I leave the table, he's like, "Papa, why are you working? I want to play. Like, can we go to the park?" I'm like, "Oh, I got to keep working, man. Like, I'm sorry. I'll see you in a few weeks." Like, it was horrible. So I will never do that again. And I would never recommend that anyone try to do this alone. You can't get very far. You can't get much past $75,000 or $100,000 a year by yourself selling an online course. This speaks to the need to build a team and to have resources to hire to help you at key points along the way. There's always going to be a choice. It comes down to 3 options when you're building things in your business. You're either going to learn to do it yourself and get it done yourself. You're going to hire someone to help you do the thing that you need to get done. Copywriting, building a website platform, helping you with strategy. Or you're going to learn, you're going to learn to do that stuff. And the third option, which is really rare, is that you happen to be in a relationship with someone who has skill sets that can fill in and become a team member without getting paid because they run the business with you, right? Those are the only 3 options to get a business like this built. So people need help, which is why people like me and why teams like CourseCREEK exist. You will hit a point where you'll jump into the software and you'll jump into course curriculum design and creating content, and you're going to be like, "Oh my God, this is so much work. Who can I hire?" At that point, the pain becomes so great. When you have a course to teach and you want to help people make a change in their life, you want to do what you want to do. You got to stay in your zone of genius, right? Which is teaching and helping people. What do you need to do so that you're the person on stage teaching and transferring knowledge? You need to not do the technology and not do customer support. And there's a whole list of things that you shouldn't be doing. You should not be formatting blog posts. You should not be formatting newsletters. Like, run down the list and just track all the stuff you're doing to run your business. Like, there's so much that you should not be doing that you need to offload.